I'm Dr. Binu in Digital Signal Processing subject. The third topic in the fourth unit is finite word length effects. Finite word length effects refers to the errors that occur when numbers are represented with a limited number of bits in digital hardware or software. Since computers and digital processors cannot represent numbers with infinite precision, values must be rounded or truncated, which introduced errors. The error introduced in digital systems due to the representation of numbers using a limited number of bits. Why it occurs? In digital systems such as microprocessors, DSP chips or microcontrollers, the numbers are stored using a fixed bit, 8-bit, 16-bit or 32-bit. Real numbers often require infinite precision. When these numbers are represented with limited bits, approximation happens. There are types of finite word length effect: quantization error, round-off error, overflow error, limit cycle oscillation. What is meant by limit cycle oscillation? Limit cycle oscillations are undesired periodic oscillations that occur in digital filters even when the input signal is zero, mainly due to finite word length effects such as rounding and quantization. Limit cycle oscillations are small periodic oscillations that occur in digital filters due to finite word length effect such as rounding or truncation even when the input signal is zero. Why limit cycle oscillation occurs in digital filter, especially in AR filters? Numbers are stored with limited precision. Arithmetic operations involve rounding or truncation. The small errors accumulate in the feedback loop. As a result, the output continues to oscillate instead of becoming zero. What are the types of limit cycle oscillation? Zero input limit cycle and overflow input limit cycle. Zero input limit cycle occurs when input is equal to zero. Output still oscillates due to quantization errors in feedback. In overflow limit cycle, occurs due to overflow in arithmetic operations. It caused when computed value exceeded the allowed range. In a digital filter, if input is equal to 0, the expected output is also 0. The actual output may look like 0.02 to minus 0.01, again 0.02 to minus 0.01. The output oscillates continuously, forming a limit cycle. What are the effects of limit cycle oscillation? Distortion digital filters, reduced accuracy in DSP system, noise in signal processing systems. Methods to reduce limit cycle oscillation. We can increase the word length, use floating point arithmetic, apply proper scaling, use dithering techniques, implement saturation arithmetic instead of wraparound. Thank you.